Hi people, welcome to Narayan live classes. Today our topic is about PNC people, permutation and combinations. We have few questions with us. Let us see them. So let us go with the first question. A man goes for an examination in which there are what 4 papers. Okay, we have what 4 papers. Okay people, with maximum of 10 marks each. Okay, the number of ways he can get what 20 marks people. The number of ways he can get what 20 marks. So what is the idea here? The idea is nothing but by looking itself we can say what people in first paper he can get what 9 marks or 10 marks or 4 marks, any marks he can get, or even he can get 0, no worries. In the last paper also he can get the same ways, but addition makes what 20. So it is looking like which theorem people? Multinomial theorem. If you look at them carefully, it looks like what multinomial theorem. So what is multinomial theorem? We have like what x naught plus what x power 1. So one maximum we can get what x power 10. That is the marks we have get it. How many papers we have? We have 4 papers, whole power 4. So if you can solve this people, so it becomes what? It becomes what? 1 minus x power what 11 by what you have 1 minus x whole power what you have 4. We know right people, this is what GB formula, x power naught plus 1 plus x square plus so on x power 10, 1 minus x power 11 by what you have 1 minus x whole power 4. So what you are going to get people, this becomes what 1 minus x whole power 11 whole power what you have people 4 into what 1 minus x whole power minus 4. So this all things we know in binomial theorem people. So what is the general term here? It becomes what 1 minus of what you have people nc1 means what 4c1 into what you have people x power 11 plus what you have people you get what 4c2 x power 22 so on. In this what is the terms people? In this every coefficient we know in the form of what n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. This is the terms we have there. This is the term we have there people. So what are the terms becomes? It becomes what 1 plus what you have people? You have like what second term. So 4 plus, so what it becomes people? It becomes what 4 plus 2 minus 1 c what you have people 2 minus 1. So this becomes what 5c1 into what x. Similar next what people 6c2 x square and so on. In this what we require people, we need what x power 20 coefficient. X power 20 coefficient. X power 20 coefficient means what you can do people? Directly I can look at what 1 into x power 20 coefficient in this. 1 into x power 20. X power 20 means what you get people? You get what 20 plus what 4 minus 1 c what you get people 4 minus 1. So you have like what 20 minus 1. Okay people, that is the coefficient we are going to get here. Next people, here x power 11 and here what people? X power 9 coefficient, if you make them you get what x power 20 coefficient. So what we write people? You can write it as what 4 into in this what we require x power 9 coefficient. So what do you get people? What do you have? 4 plus 9 minus 1 c 9 minus 1. So we know each and every term people. So we know what these one, similarly this one. So what we have people, this one 4c1 okay 4 into this one. If you solve it people you will get the answer as this. But how we got this in is the most important part. I hope everyone understood. So let me go with the next question. The number of ways of distributing 15 different things to 4 persons, each receiving at least what 2 people. So let us take this 4 persons as what x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus what x4. Okay people, so total has to be what 15. That is the total number. But in this we have some more condition people. What is the condition we have? Each one should at least receive what 2 things. Each one should receive what at least 2 things. So what we can do now? First I'll give each them 2. So what I'll do is nothing but, for this fellow I'll give 2, for this fellow I'll give 2, so I'll give 2, I'll give 2, I'll give 2, I'll give 2. Neither people I'll take 2, because each one requires at least 2. So if I remove 2 people, so it becomes what? Minus 2, I'll take 2. So that becomes what? Minus 8. So what it becomes, people? You have like what? X1 minus 2 plus what you have? X2 minus 2 plus what you have, people? X3 minus 2 plus X4 minus 2 equal to what you have, people? 15 minus 8. Till here we are good. Now what we got actually, X1 dash plus what you have, people? X2 dash plus what? X3 dash plus X4 dash equal to what? 7. 7. Now it's looking like what, people? Every X1 dash, Xi dash is what? Greater than or equal to 0. They can be 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever the numbers they can know. Directly it is our formula. What is the formula, people? N plus R minus 1, C R minus 1. So what is the answer becomes? Here N is what? 7. 7 plus what you have, people? 4 minus 1, C what you have, people? 4 minus 1. So how much you get actually? It is what? 10C3, people. So that becomes what? 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2. So how we can do? You get 3, you get 4. So total what? 120, people. I hope you understood, people. Direct formula base, nothing more. But here we have to understand at least 2 is what should be highlighted. At least 2 means what, people? First let us give each one 2. Take each one from 2 people, then everyone becomes what? X1 dash equal to 0, everything becomes what? Greater than or equal to 0. Let me go with the next question. In how many ways 3 solenoids can be given such that what? To 4 applicants. We have what? 4 applicants and 3 people. Every applicant can get what? 0 or 1 or 2. So it is same again, same that question, people. So what you are going to get? X power 0 plus X power 1 plus what? X power 2 plus X power 3. So no need to have binomial theorem, let me write in that way actually, sorry for that. So we have what, people? 3 solenoids. Each applicant can get what? This one, people. So what I can write? X1 plus X2, each applicant, X3 plus X4 equal to what you have, people? 3. 3. Each one can get what? 0, 1, 2 or what? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So what we can do, people? So we have 4 applicants, people, and we need to get 3. And what I can say, each one is what? Greater than or equal to Xi is greater than or equal to 0, I can say, because each one can be what? Greater than or equal to 0. So what is the answer becomes? Directly becomes what? Formula, people. So what do you have? 4, 3 plus 4 minus 1. See what do you have, people? 4 minus 1. So the answer becomes what? It becomes what, people? 6C3. So 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2, people. So that becomes what? 20. That's my answer. Let me go with the next question. The number of ways of dividing. So I hope everyone written this. Let me go with the next question. The number of ways of dividing 80 cards into 5 equal groups. Equal groups, people. So what becomes 80 factorial by 16 factorial whole power what you get, people? 5. Because of them each being what? Same equal number, people. So the distribution between them should be cancelled. So what it becomes? By 5 factorial. So which is my answer? This is my answer. Easy question, people. If you understand logic, things are easy. Let me go with the next. If S equal to 1 to 12, okay, happy, is said to be partitioned into what? 3 sets. 3 sets. It's same like previous question, people, and the intersection is what? Null. I'm happy for that. Now, what you have, people? It becomes what? 12 factorial, because of what? 12 numbers are there. I'm trying to what? Arrange them. Now I'm trying to group it, people. So what it becomes actually? Partition into what? 3 equal size. So what it becomes, people? It becomes what? 4 factorial whole cube into what, people? 3 factorial. Till here I'm happy, but here A, B, C are distinct sets. So what do you write? Into 3 factorial. So this one goes off, and finally answer becomes this one, people. I hope everyone understood. Let me go with the next question. The number of ways what 52 cards can be divided among 4 players. Okay, so 52 cards we have, people. So what 52 factorial among so this becomes what, people? 17 factorial. Okay, people, whole cube. The number of ways of dividing okay, sorry, people, see, among 4 players, in 4 sets, people, there of them, 3 of them having what, people? 17 cards, and last one, 4th one should have 1 card, people. So what it happens actually, it becomes what, people? 52 factorial you do as it is. 3 of them should have what, people? 17 cards. So what it becomes by 17 factorial whole cube. Till here I am happy. What do you do, people? Into what? 4 factorial. Because we are dividing into 4 persons, we write what? 4 factorial. Till here I am happy. So here also we can have this arrangement, people, because the people are divided in what ways actually? It is divided in what ways, people? Here, each set can contain what actually? You can have 17, 17, 17 and what, people? 1. This is the way we have. These are the groups you have. So number of ways of arranging them, how many times it becomes, people? It becomes what? 4 factorial by 3 factorial. So into what you write, people? 4 factorial by 3 factorial. So this becomes what, people? 4. This one cancel off. So answer is what? First option. Why, people? 17, 17, 17 and 1. So the number of ways of arranging them is what? 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Let me go with the next. The number of non-negative integral solutions, this one, people. This is what directly our material formula, people. That is what? N plus R CR. So here what we have, people? R equal to 4. So the answer becomes what? Third option. Here what? R equal to 4. So we get there. Next question. The number of non-negative solutions, okay? This one, people, equal to 15. So what I can write is nothing but x plus y plus z equal to what do you have, people? 15 minus 5t I can write. Non-negative roots, people. So what it becomes? T equal to 0 I can take, 1 I can take, 2 and 3. These are the cases we have. So what are the answers becomes, people? It becomes what? If I keep t equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 15. So what is the answer becomes, people? Here what it becomes? 15 plus 3 minus 1. See what you have, people, because each one can be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Here xi is what? Greater than or equal to 0. 3 minus 1, see 3 minus 1. So how much you get, people? You get what? 15 plus 3, so 18 minus 1, 17 C2. Next what? T equal to 1 you substitute. So what do you have? X plus y plus z equal what? 10. Next t equal to 1 you keep, people. So t equal to 2 you keep. So x plus y plus z equal to what do you have, people? 5. So 3 I can't take, people. That is it's not possible. Okay. So here how much you get, people? You get what? 10 plus 3 minus 1. See 3 minus 1. Here how much you get, people? 5 plus 3 minus 1. See 3 minus 1. So it is 17 C2. It is what? 12 C2. It is what? 7 C2. 17 C2 means what you have, people? 17 into 16 by 2. So we have like 8. 12 C2 means what, people? 12 into 11 by 2. So it is what? 66. 17 8s, people. So we have like what? 56 and what? 136 maybe. 7 C2. So what do you have? 7 into what do you have? 6 by 2. So it is what? 21. So if you add them people, if you add this and this, how much we get people? We get it as what 192. Okay, 192, 202, 202 and what we get what people? 202 plus 21. If I take 3 case people, what you get? X plus y plus z equal what? 0. Even that case also can be added people. That happens when what? Everything is 0. So plus what? One more extra case. So even 3 case we can take and what? It becomes 0. So how much you get people? You get what? 224. You get it as what? 224. Let me go with the next question. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus what? x4 plus x5 equal to what? 20 people. x1 plus x2 equal to 2. First let me do for these part people. x1 plus x2 equal 15. So if you write what? x1 plus x2 equal what? 15. This becomes what people? 15 plus 2 minus 1. C 2 minus 1, that is the formula we done long back, n plus r minus 1. This is what n, how many digits we have? R, n plus r minus 1, C r minus 1, that becomes how much people? So it becomes what? 16 C1, so that is what? 16. Now let me go with the other part people, so how much you have here? So in this, these two x1 plus x2 added to what? 15 people, so what do you have? x3 plus x4 plus x5 equal to what you get people? 5 I can say. x3 plus okay equal to what you have people? So what do you get people? Here how much you have actually? 5 plus 3 minus 1, see 3 minus 1. So how much you get here? You get it as what people? How much it is? 8 minus 1, 7 C2. So what you have? 7 into 6 by 2, that is what? 21. So my total answer what becomes? 21 into 16. So how much it is? 320 plus 16. So 336. So simple calculation, 16 into 20 plus 16, that's all, nothing more. Okay. So we got what? 336. Next question. The number of ways, in how many ways 3 boys and 15 girls can sit together. How many boys we have? 3 boys and 15 girls can sit together in such a way that what? Any 2 boys, there are at least 2 girls. If you look at the boys people, so let me take what? Boy 1, boy 2, boy 3. Okay. Here you have what? 4 gaps. In these 4 gaps people, I will take here as it as what? x1 places, x2 girls, x3, x2 and x3 and x4 girls. In this people, x1 can be greater than equal to 0, x4 can be greater than equal to 0, because after that people it can be what? 0, I don't care. But in between them how many should be there? Greater than equal to 2, greater than equal to 2. Till here we are fine. So now let us see people. I can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to what people? Equal to how much I can say? Equal to what we have? 15. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus what? x4 equal to what? 15. So here people, I will subtract what? Minus 2 here, I will subtract minus 2 here. Then this one also becomes greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, then equal to people. So minus 4 it becomes. So x1 plus what people? x2 dash plus what? x3 dash plus what? x4 equal to what people? 11. And each one is what? Greater than equal to 0 people. So happy. Now this is what direct formula. So what is the answer becomes people? It becomes what? 11 plus 4 minus 1, C 4 minus 1. So how much it becomes people? 15 and 14, 14 C3. So what do you get? 14 into 13 into what? 12 by what you have people? 3 into 2. So you can write this one as what people? 2. I can say how much people? 28 into, neither he gave what? 14C, that's enough because everything he gave in terms of this. Now What are the ways, people? I can arrange what these things becomes what 14C3. Even I can what arrange boys, even I can arrange girls. So this is my answer. First what, people? First I'll see what are the possibilities we have. That is what 14C3. Now what I'll do, people? I'll arrange what boys 3 factorial. I'll arrange what still what girls. It's how much, people? 14C3, 3 factorial and 15 factorial. I hope everyone got it. Let us go for the next. 5 distinct letters can be transmitted through a communication channel. A total number of what 15 blanks to be inserted. Okay, 15 blanks to be inserted between the letters with at least 3. So we have what, people? Letter 1, letter 2, so on. How many letters, people? 5 letters. Letter 4 and what? Letter 5. So how many? These were the blanks, gaps, people. A total number of 15 blanks to be inserted between the letters with at least 3 people. So I can't take this place, I can't take this place. So how much we have, people? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write what? x1 plus x2 plus what? x3 plus what? x4 equal what? 15 blanks. Between them, he said, that's a thing. So this should be what, people? Greater than equal to 3. Everything should be what? Greater than equal to 3. So what is the better thing I can do, people? First what? I'll subtract minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 12. So what do you get, people? x1 dash. Okay, so let me write in detail, that's better. So 1 minute. So what do you have, people? x1 dash plus what do you have, people? x2 dash plus x3 dash plus x4 dash equal what do you get, people? You get 3. So what is the answer becomes, people? The answer becomes what? How much it becomes, people? 3 plus 4 minus 1, C 4 minus 1. So what do you get, people? 6C3. So 6 into 5 into 4 by 6. So this one goes off, you get what? 20, people. Till here we are happy. Okay. Now what, people? Even I can arrange what? The letters also. The letters also can be arranged, people. So what it becomes actually? Total equal what do you have, people? 20 into what? The letters can be arranged in what? 5 factorial ways. That is what, people? 20 into what? 120. So that is what? 2400. So we are done with this one. I hope everyone understood. Let me go with the next one. The number of positive integral solutions of x square minus y square, people, equal what? This number. X square minus y square equal this one, people. So let me change color and board of this color. Okay, good. X square minus y square equal 352706. Okay. So how to proceed? See, people, x plus y into what? X minus y equal to what you have, people? I can write what? 352706. If you subtract any numbers, people, if you subtract any numbers, if you add, people, it is what? Even. If you subtract, people, that is also even. If I take something, 5 minus 3, 2, even. 6 minus 4, even. If I take 6 minus 3, people, it is what? 3, but 6 plus 3 what becomes, people? Six plus 3 becomes what? 9. In that case, it becomes what, people? Odd. But this number is what? Even. So when I take an even and odd condition, people, it is what? Odd. But here we got in what? Even case. Even case. So it has to be what? Either both evens or both odds, people. It has to be compulsory what? Both evens or both odds. If it is both even or odd, people, so it has to be like what? 4 multiple. It has to be what? 4 multiple. So let us see our answer, this 352706 what? 4 multiple or not. So if you look at these, people, what is divisibility of 4? last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. If you look at what 0 comma 6, it's not divisible by 4. So number of solutions what? 0. Number of solutions what? 0. So I hope everyone understood. Let me go with the next question. The number of positive integral solutions x1 into x2 into what x3 into what x4 equal to what people? 770. How I can write people? I can write it as what 77 into what 10, 2 into 5 into 7 into what 11 people. Till here we are fine. 2 into 7 into 5 into 11. Okay, good, happy. Now, number of positive integral solutions people. So what I can do? That's the most important question here. We require what people? See, how many things we have people? In x1, how many places I can keep? Or neither, I will go in reverse people. 2 can be kept in what? How many places? 4 places. 5 can be kept in what? 4 places. 7 can be kept in what? 4 places. These can be kept in what? 4 places. So it becomes what? 4 power 4. Only simple logic people. See, I have 4 multiplications people. 2 can take what? x1 or x2 or x3 or x4, any place. So what is the answer people? It becomes what? 4 power 4. It is what? 2 power 8. 256. I hope everyone understood. Let me go with the next question. Oh, similar question people. X into y into what z? So what do you have? X, y, z. So I can write it as what people? 5 into 21, 3 into 5 into what? 7. Yeah, till here we are good. Now what we have people? 3 into 5 into 7, I'm very good at this. See, now x can take what? Any 3 places, 3 can take any 3 places, 5 can take any 3 places, 7 can take any 3 places. So it becomes what? 27 places people, 27 things. So number of triplets are what? About 27 people. So answer is what? 27. Let me go with the next question. Very good people, same type actually. So what do you have? X, y, z equal to what you can write people? 150 into what? 15 into 10. So I can write it as what people? 5 square 2 into 3. I hope it's right. So yeah, fine, good. Now let us see how many places it can take people. 2 it can take 3 places. 3 it can be take what? 3 places. Till here I am happy. What about 5 people? I have 2 5s. 2 5s. So this one can take what? Only one place. Means what? 5 square as a single term went towards something. So 5 square it can take. Or so these 2 5s can take what? Any 2 places. So it becomes what? 3c2. Once again people, this 5 square as a whole term can sit in what? Any 3 places. So it becomes what? 3c1. Again what people? So we have 2 5s. So it can take what? Any 2 places out of 3. So it becomes this something like this. So it becomes what people? 9 into how much people? It becomes what? 3c2 is what? 1 plus 3 plus what? 3, it's 6. So the answer is what? 54. The answer is this. I hope everyone got the point. Let me go for the next question. In an examination, 9 papers, okay, it has to pass more than the number of in which he failed people. So when he have 9 papers people, in order to be successful, okay, he is unsuccessful. So what? Let us see people. So somewhat negative, but let us see. He has to be what people? Unsuccessful. Out of 9 papers, he has to file 5 papers. He should fail what? He should fail at least in what? 5 or what people? 6 or 7 or what? 8 or 9 papers. These are the cases we have. So out of 9, any 5 he can fail, any 6, any 7, any 8 or any 9 people. This is same as what people? 9c0 plus 9c1 plus 9c2 plus 9c3 plus what? 9c4. This is exactly half of what people? This is exactly half of what? Half of what? 9c0 plus 9c1, so on what people? 9c9. Exactly half of them. So what is the answer? Becomes half into what you have people? 2 power 9. So it is becomes what? 2 power 8. So it is what? 256. Let me go with the next question. Okay, fine. We are done, people. Thank you. I hope you understood the class. Thank you, people.